So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your first ever AI competitor research agent for your business. So if you're someone who runs a startup, or if you're building a SaaS product, or even if you have an SEO agency, then this video is going to save you hours of manual research for every week. So let's get started. So the agent we are trying to create can monitor your top 5 competitors weekly. It can even track pricing, page changes, detect new product launches and features update, and even it can analyze your blog topics and SEO strategy too. So by the end of this video, you will have your fully automated AI competitor research agent ready. And now let's get started and build it. So first of all, to start building it, all you need to do is just head over to surething.io website. I will put link of this website in the description box below. And once you're on the home page, all you need to do is create an account. Then you need to head over to this option called competitor research. Just click on this and you can add this to your project. And once you add this, you will see this type of interface. Now we are ready to use this agent. So first of all, what I will do is I will just paste this prompt. So as you can see, I have my competitors ready. These are my two competitors. So what I did is, you can see I just pasted this competitors website and I said research about these website and first tell me short summary what they do, their USP, and generate a bi-weekly competitive intelligence brief with key changes, track their content strategy, blog topics, social media activity, and SEO keywords too. And now you can see what it asks is, it says it can weekly monitor every Monday 8 a.m. IST, scrap all competitor website changes and all of this, and it can create a complete summary on this. So we will just send this prompt. So you can see these, it will research both of these websites, what they do, what is their USP, what are their pricing plans, and give you a detailed report about these two companies. This, and if you describe my business does this, it will help you to plan strategy that you can implement that they are not doing, and if they are doing something, how you can do different from them, or even if you do something similar which can attract more customers for you. So now let's wait here until it gives you a complete research report. Okay, so as you can see here, this was our prompt that I sent. Research about these websites and first tell me short summary what they do, their USP, generate a bi-weekly competitive intelligence brief with the key changes, track their content strategy, blogs, topics, social media activity, SEO keywords. So it says here's your intel on both competitors, then the full brief breakdown below. So it gives us the quick summaries. First of all, for SEO.ai, the affordable done for you SEO agent, automated SEO on autopilot, and it gives the complete details about both the platform. Then it gives us the bi-weekly intelligence brief, which includes all of this, what they do and complete their research. And if you click on this download full brief, you can download this in .md format, but what I want is I want it to be in PDF or TXT. So I just gave it a follow prompt that make it into PDF or TXT. Then it gives me the both format. You can see .pdf and .txt ready as well. Now if you want to open it, just click on this any of these PDF or TXT and you have your brief ready. You can see competitive intelligence brief May 23 2026, and we have the executive summary, then we have the competitor deep dives. You can read all of this if you want. I will attach in description box below. So you can see it automatically also added quick wins to consider. And now all I need to do is I will give it a one more follow-up prompt, which you can see here. Make the report looks more visual and actionable. Also add competitor comparison tables, keyword traffic trend charts, AI visibility tracking, launch change alert, screenshot and clear why this matters, recommendations, and also export everything as clean PDF or TXT reports. So I will just send this and we will wait for about another 2 or 3 minutes. Then I will show you the final result what we have right now. So now you can see our report is ready. Here you can see this was our prompt, make the reports looks more visual and actionable, add competitor comparison tables, keyword traffic and trend charts, AI visibility tracking, launch change alerts, screenshot and clear why this matter, recommendations. Also export everything as clean PDF plus text report. So here you can see it says upgraded. Here's your new visual report. We have one PDF and one TXT file. Now you can see it says what's now included in every report. Section is launch alerts, executive summary, color coded, what's in it, and we have the complete report ready. Now if you want to see it, we have both the variants like PDF and the TXT. We have both extension available. So let's open it first by TXT. So let me just download it first, and if you open the TXT file, you can see this was our text file. We have the executive summary here, opportunity, watch, and we have our complete head-to-head comparison. You can see here the entry price, target users, automation level, keyword database, backlink database. And now if we open the PDF file, I think it should be more interesting. It's already downloaded here, so we will just open this and you can see this is the way. And you can see this is our competitive intelligence report, bi-weekly competitor brief. We have the report date, competitors tracked, and next brief, it automatically gives us the next brief on June 6th. And we have the launch and change alert. Let me just zoom it for you a little bit. And here you can see here complete executive summary. And if we scroll down to see more, here is our head-to-head comparison, entry price. We have the entry price for both the platform, and we have the target user, automation level, keyword database, backlink database, AI visibility tracking, competitor analysis, Google Ads management, social media tools, setup complexity, free tier, monthly traffic, recent launch. And if we go to the visual data, as we say, to add some visual data as well, and here we have price comparison, you can see here. And then we have the estimated monthly traffic trend. Then if we scroll down, we have the feature coverage metrics. So this was our complete report. And if we scroll down, we have the AI visibility tracking as well, visibility score. We have score for both the platforms. Then we have the content strategy and SEO keywords. So, and if we scroll down, we have the blog post month and SEO.com post 8 blogs post month, which includes how to post, and this one post about 30 with data reports, guides and news. And they are active on LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube daily. And we have the video content not available for SEO, and we have the video content available for webinars, YouTube tutorials, product demos, and we have our complete report ready. So this is how you can create your first AI competitor, which can give you this much level of detailed outputs. You can see it hardly takes like 2 minutes to create all of this. It studied the complete platform, then gives you a final report that is very helpful to you. And if you go to create manually, or if you hire a freelancer, it will cost you money too, and it will cost you it will take at least 3 to 4 hours, or maybe 3 to 4 days to create this kind of detailed report. But now it's done in 3 minutes as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment and try it now. Link is in the description box below, and let me know what is your favorite part. I will be doing the next one. Thank you so much for watching.